Moving on, we have 3 more papers to be presented in this session. I would request Ms. Syeda Farah Yasin. She is lecturer, Department of Law and Criminology, University of Okara, and the title of her paper is Modern Court Management System, a Comparative Study of Pakistan and Philippines. Ms. Syeda Farah Yasin.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The topic of my presentation is Modern Court Management Models, a comparative study of Pakistan and Philippines. I've divided my research into 4 parts. First part deals with the concept of court management, while in the second part, court management models of Pakistan and Philippines have been examined and analyzed. In the third part, reforms carried out by both countries have been examined, keeping focus on case management and the experience of e-courts in these countries. Last part is about recommendations and conclusions. Okay, let's start with court management. What is court management? Court management is basically methodology of best utilization of all available resources in the justice dispensation system. We can also define it as an administration inside the court and outside the case. I have mentioned some of the stakeholders in a court management model. Important thing about these stakeholders is that their role and their names may differ according to the change in legal system. Now coming to the court management model. Court management model can be divided into 2 parts. It deals with management of cases, and it also deals with the management of courts. When we talk about case management, then it is connected to primary processes, including court administration and other processes directly related to case proceedings, while court management is connected to secondary processes. In this regard, case management plays an important role as judicial workload can be controlled and managed easily and effectively with good case management. I would like to again tell you that the court management models also change with the change in legal system. मेरा ख्याल में पाकिस्तान की जुडिशल हायरार्की को तो बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो let's move towards the judicial hierarchy of Philippines. Basically, it's a 4-tier judicial system. First level courts में 4 किस्म की courts हैं. Then comes the regional trial courts called second level courts, and then courts of appeal, and then in the as the Supreme Court as the apex court. Problems faced by the judicial system of both countries are almost similar, so I think there is no need to again and again repeat the problems as well. Coming to the main topic, and that is reforms carried out in both countries. तो जब हम बात करते हैं reforms in Philippines, तो the pilot phase of e-courts was set up in 2013 in 58 courts, and the number has risen to more than 300 in the country. और इसके अंदर बेसिकली ऑनलाइन केस मैनेजमेंट के सिस्टम पे फोकस किया गया था. जब 2017 में एक सर्वे हुआ, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट सर्वे it was revealed that there has been a reduction in average age of pending cases and case inflow. In 2017, Philippines Development Plan was launched, which also it was a 5-year plan, and it also focused on case management system through use of technology. In addition to this, Supreme Court of Philippines allowed virtual evidence after COVID 2019, and in 2022 another 5-year plan was launched, termed as Strategic Plan for Judicial Innovation. And most recent advancement in this is the announcement of Supreme Court of Philippines on 20th August 2024 about obligatory electronic filing of civil cases in first and second level courts. Now let's move to Pakistan. पाकिस्तान की रिफॉर्म्स को मैंने 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है: केस मैनेजमेंट, ई फाइलिंग और वर्चुअल एविडेंस. जब हम केस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम्स की बात करते हैं तो इनिशियल स्टेप वाज टेकन बाय इस्लामाबाद एंड लाहौर हाई कोर्ट्स. Supreme Court of Pakistan also has a case management system, and in Punjab and Sindh, case management system has been introduced to access information about cases in district judiciary. Punjab's website also provides some forms for video link permission. Video link permission के लिए भी यहाँ पे एक option मौजूद है. और वर्चुअल एविडेंस की बात करें तो फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस वर्चुअल एविडेंस का 2016 में हुआ था. जज ऑफ अकाउंटेबिलिटी कोर्ट ने ये स्काइप पे एविडेंस विटनेस स्टेटमेंट की रिकॉर्ड की थी. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान has also launched video conferencing in 2019, but we don't find any examples at the level of lower judiciary. और मेरी जो रिसर्च है वो बेसिकली इसी बात पे फोकस करती है कि हमें रिफॉर्म्स को निचले लेवल से लेके आना है रादर देन स्टार्टिंग द रिफॉर्म्स फ्रॉम अपर लेवल जुडिशरी. जैसा कि फ़िलीपींस में उन्होंने जो रिफॉर्म किया, जो उनका 5 years प्लान है, वो बेसिकली लेवल 1 और लेवल 2 कोर्ट्स को रिफॉर्म करने के लिए है. ई फाइलिंग की बात करें तो ई फाइलिंग का हमें पाकिस्तान में कोई ऐसा एग्जांपल नहीं मिलती एक्सेप्ट पिशावर हाई कोर्ट मैंगोरा ब्रांच हैज़ इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अ फैसिलिटी ऑफ ऑनलाइन प्लीडिंग्स, but efficacy of this system could not be researched due to limited resources. Recently, Islamabad High Court has also taken an important step and it has set up an online e-court system. Now coming to the recommendations. The process of institution of cases must be digitalized by allowing the lawyers to institute the cases with all relevant documents by logging into the website of relevant court or a link provided through website of case management system. Secondly, there is no need of forming separate and special e-courts. All existing courts must be provided with stable internet connection and computer screens or projectors to carry on video conferencing, thus saving litigants time of coming to court for evidence and to stop lawyers' excuses for adjournments. Present format of case management websites is difficult for common people to understand. So case management websites must be simplified so that a less educated person can also easily get the required information. Summons and notices should be sent through emails and messages where it is possible. As you know that most of the people are not aware of ICT, but in case of organizations and educated persons, this can be followed. As a next step, all relevant data of pending cases is to be made digitally available for relevant parties after making sure that data cannot be changed and is inaccessible to irrelevant parties. Lastly, laws must be passed regarding electronic case management and e-filing process. In the end, I would like to share a report on judicial statistics of a period from July to December 2003 issued by Law and Justice Commission of Pakistan. According to this report, 1.86 million cases are pending before lower judiciary, while the number of pending cases before higher judiciary is 0.39 million. So in my opinion, the process of reforms should be started from the lower level, especially e-filing का जो process है उसको introduce करवाया जाए, और जो हमारे पंजाब की जो वेबसाइट के ऊपर ऑप्शन है वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग का, इसको सिर्फ स्पेशल सर्कमस्टांसेस के लिए ना रखा जाए बल्कि उस सिचुएशन के लिए भी रखा जाए जब एक वकील को एट अ टाइम 2 कोर्ट्स में जाना होता है, तो उन 2 कोर्ट्स के एट अ टाइम 2 सेम डे पे जब उसको जाना होता है तो उस चीज़ को हैंडल करने के लिए वर्चुअल एविडेंस का जो ऑप्शन है, जो इसका वीडियो लिंक का जो ऑप्शन है, उसको स्पेशल सर्कमस्टांसेस से हटा के थोड़ा सा ईजी किया जाए. थैंक यू.